Hi, I'm James the Light Guy, and today we're going to be taking a look at a flexible LED DRL. As you can see, the LEDs are soldered onto a flexible strip and encased in this silicone sheath. There is a double-sided sticky adhesive for mounting, and I cut open the end of this so you can see that, if I can get the focus right, we have two sets of chips on this. The ones on the left are the white DRL chips, and these ones on the right are for the sequential turn signal. Let's hook these up to our power supply. Oh, actually, before we do that, take a look at the power block on the unit. These run at 12 volts DC input, and the output says max 1.5 amps. We'll see how close that actually is. But if we can pop this open, take a quick peek inside. You can see we have a lot of chips inside, all conformally coated to prevent corrosion, and a nice strain relief on the electrical connector there. Put the cover back on. Now, there are 3 wires: black to ground, red to your day running light, and yellow to turn signal. So what we're going to do is we're going to hook up the red to our power and black to ground. I'm going to fold the black down to keep it away from our power cable. That should do. Turn this up. Alright, let's get the focus right. Alright, we can see now that at 12 volts, we're at about half an amp. And it is flexible and pretty. You can see through the tape here that the chips don't have the smoothest blend, but through the silicone sheath, it diffuses the light, making it fairly even. Now, let's pulse the turn signal as though, or pulse the yellow wire as though the turn signal was being activated. And let's hold it. Alright, you see, in its yellow form, we are drawing 0.4 amps, 4.7, so still about half an amp. And you can see as after it deactivates the signal, takes a second and returns to white. And that 1.5 amp max seems a bit of an exaggeration, considering that would take more than both the white and yellow on simultaneously. The sequence does just start out the end with the wires and runs down to the far end solid, illuminating as it progresses, unlike the previous set that we watched that created a section that moved. Depending on your light setup, either option may be more viable for you. Anyway, these are a cool light. I don't plan on using the double-sided sticky adhesive. I plan on using a clear silicone adhesive, and don't know which side I want to mount, up or down. The end caps are held on with a white Celastic to prevent water ingress and prevent corrosion on the strips. Pretty, right? But in any case, that's all I have time for in this video. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Consider subscribing for more content, and I'll see you in the next video.